let's talk about the various types of garbage shredders, their functions and features. What is a garbage shredder? This equipment is used to crush various solid wastes to 150-20. Garbage shredders have two systems, hydraulic drive and motor drive, which use rotating rotors and blades to crush materials. Use a crusher where it is not possible, and often necessary, to use a crusher. Compared with crusher equipment, garbage shredders have many advantages. Lower cost, lower noise and less wear and tear. This is why more and more organizations in our industry are choosing these shredders. They are used when the material is highly resistant to breakage and is stable. The rotors of these single-shaft shredders are made of wear-resistant alloy, which makes these rotors smooth and contoured. When using abrasive or easily heated materials, such rotors will not overheat due to the even distribution of heat generated by friction. The working principle of the single-shaft shredder is as follows. The chopped materials are fed into the hopper through a hydraulic pre-press, fed into the rotating rotor, and the cutter is fixed on the rotor. Material can be loaded mechanically, using a loader or inclined conveyor, or manually. The press performs reciprocating motion again, pressing the material on the rotating rotor. In this area, the waste was initially destroyed. The material is then cut into smaller pieces in the cutting area. Afterwards, the crushed particles fall by gravity onto a sieve, in which there are holes of a certain size, and it is these sizes that determine the value of the final fraction. Fragments of material that prove to be larger than the size of the holes are sent for secondary grinding, etc. These cycles are repeated until all processed material is completely crushed. As we have already mentioned, single rotor, or single shaft, shredders are the universal type, but it is most commonly used to recycle glass, thick wall plastics, film material.